Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Splice app you click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Splice. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your